Back in 2023, when I used ChatGPT, I noticed something. I kept reusing the same prompts every day. Copy, paste, tweak a few words, repeat. Super annoying. Then it hit me. What if I could turn a prompt into a dynamic form? Instead of rewriting prompts, I just fill in variables and get the result instantly. And even better, people don't have to expose their prompts. They can just share the form, powered by their hidden, powerful prompt. Yes, a custom AI tool hub. I got a billion-dollar idea. I was going to be the next successful founder. Instead, it failed. Let me show you what I built. I had this super long, expert-level Instagram carousel prompt. It could turn a simple idea into a high-quality carousel. If I used ChatGPT, I had to copy the whole prompt every time and replace just one part. Now, I plug the prompt into the system. It detects variables inside square brackets and turns them into form inputs. Now, every time I have a new idea for my Instagram account, I just fill in the form, click generate, and done. Clean, fast, and reusable. Each AI tool could be public, private, unlisted, members only. Companies could share tools internally without exposing their proprietary prompts. Team members could even comment on specific generations. And after version 1, I had these big plans: multiple AI model switching, API access, and automation. But it never got there. It died at version 1. I built everything using ASP.NET Core, and I bootstrapped it, meaning using my own money. Now, there are many ways to build a SaaS. You can raise from angel investors or go full VC mode, but I chose the one-person business route, which is fine until my money runs out and I have 0 paying users. Then came my first big mistake. When deploying to Microsoft Azure, I thought, I need to be ready for huge traffic. So I went straight for a high-performance tier. One of the reasons? Deployment slots. Basically, instead of deploying directly to production, I could deploy to a separate slot first, test everything, then swap it into production instantly with almost 0 downtime. So current users wouldn't even notice the update. Sounds smart, right? And yeah, it is useful, just not on day 1. Reality? No traffic at all, because I didn't promote it. So here's a pro tip. Start with a lower tier. You don't need premium on day 1. Scale only when your server starts sweating. My server wasn't sweating, but my bank account definitely was. So the app is live. But where are the users? That's when I learned building the product is only 20%. Marketing is the other 80%. I thought, people will search custom AI tool on Google and find me. So I run Google Ads. But honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. Wrong keywords, wrong targeting, just testing and experimenting. Yes, I got users. Thousands of signups for 30-day free trials, but 0 conversions. No one subscribed for the plans. Then I asked my sister for feedback. She's a normal user, not a SaaS person. And her response? It looks a bit complicated. I don't really know what to do. That hurt. My UI was designed for me, not for real users. And worse, I built first, then tried to find users. Completely backwards. I should have validated the idea first before building everything. I also launched on Product Hunt, but apparently, you need a pre-launch strategy. How to do that? Actually, YouTube knew. I should have watched a tutorial first. Then I hired someone on Fiverr for SEO. But here's the thing, SEO is a long-term game. It's not do SEO today, rank on the first page tomorrow. Then I also considered hiring influencers, writing on Medium. But before anything could work, I ran out of money. Then something big happened. OpenAI released custom GPTs. And suddenly, my entire product could be replaced inside ChatGPT. That was a tough moment. Now, let's talk numbers. Here's my total burn, about $5,000 US. That includes Azure, Google Ads, domain, Fiverr SEO, proof source, that little pop-up that says, someone just signed up to create a bustling atmosphere. Well, it was bustling, but no one was buying. Now, can you guess where 75% of that money went? Azure. Yes, premium servers are super expensive. And the second biggest expense is Google Ads. After 4 months, money gone, no paying users and project dead. But honestly, I don't regret it. That 0 to 1 journey is super exciting. Designing the brand, the logo, building the product, and seeing your first real user sign up. Nothing beats that. It's addictive, satisfying, and gives you a real sense of accomplishment. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll build another SaaS. But if I could redo everything, I will validate with real users first. Start with the cheapest infrastructure. Focus on distribution early. Learn marketing or hire someone who knows it. Keep costs low until real traction. And I'm curious, when validating an idea, would you ask your friends and family or avoid it because you're afraid of bothering them or getting biased feedback? Or should we find people who are more likely to be the actual target customers, the ones who might actually pay for it? Do you have a dream of building your own SaaS? Let's chat in the comments.